friends, welcome to Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about marriage team, Sapthapadi team in marriage in quilling model. It is very easy to make and it is very simple and easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Now join 5 mm 25 strips, make 2 tight coils and make a dome shape. Make stiff with the help of Fevicol bottle and apply glue inside the dome. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the 2 domes. Here I am making base body of bridal doll. Now again join 5 mm 25 strips and make total 2 tight coils and take 1 tight coil and make a deep dome. Here I am making shed part for the bridegroom. Now the dome is ready. Now apply glue inside the dome. Apply glue neatly with the help of brush and apply glue to the tight coil also. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the 2 domes. It will be the shed part for bridegroom. Now the shed part is ready. Now here I am making legs part. Join 10 mm 4 strips and make a big cone with the help of pencil. Do it slowly when you are making cones. My one strip length is 28 cm. Make total 4 cones and apply glue inside the cones and spread it neatly. I have connected 2 cones to the base dome. Now take another leg and make doti to the legs like this. Make total 2 and add silver color to the paper. Now apply glue on the cone and connect these legs to the shed part of bridegroom like this. Let it dry for some time. Here I am making dupatta in the middle part. It will give a nice pancha look. Now the bridegroom base doll is ready. Now take a piece of paper and apply glue and connect like this to give a nice shed look. Here I am adding silver pearl color for the dress to look like a real pattu. Now again join 5 mm 2 strips for making neck. Now here I am making legs for bridegroom. Join 3 mm 2 strips of 2 tight coils and connect it. Now take again 5 mm paper strip and cut 5 fingers like this. After cutting, connect these fingers to the foot like this. Open it. Now the legs are ready. Now connect the foot to the legs as shown in the video. My one strip length is 28 cm. Let it dry for some time. After drying, it will be like this. Now again join 7 mm 30 strip of each tight coil. It will be the standing base for the dolls. Now connect the bridegroom doll to the base like this. Let it dry for some time. Now again join 5 mm 3 mm 25 strips and make a dome shape. Make a smaller one dome shape like this and apply glue and spread it neatly. Now apply glue to the 3 mm dome also. Apply glue and spread it neatly. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the 2 domes as shown in the video. Now the dome is ready. Here I am making base dome for the bridal doll. Now again join 5 mm 20 strips of tight coil and connect to like this. It will be the stomach part. Now apply glue to the legs like this. It will be the bride base doll and attach to the stand like this. Now again join 5 mm 2 strips and make a tight coil like this. Now take fingers and connect to the foot like this. It will be the legs for the bridal doll. Apply glue and connect to it. I have already connected one. Make total 2. Now the legs part is ready for making stiff and stand more strongly. Now take a roll and connect in the middle part so it will be fixed tightly so it cannot be removed. Now the base part is ready. Now take a A4 size paper and make pleats and apply color paint of red color and white color and make in a saree shape. Now rotate saree around the base doll like this. After attaching, it will be like this. Here I am making South Indian bridal style. Now apply glue and connect the base body to the saree like this. After drying, now connect the kongu part. Now connect the saree like this. Now the saree part is completed. Now again join 5 2 strips for making neck and connect neck to the base idol. Here I am making South Indian bridal style. Now join 5 2 strips and make a cone shape. Now again join 5 2 strip and make a little bit bigger cone. Make the 2 cones and apply glue inside the cones. And spread it neatly with the help of brush. Now the 2 cones are ready. Now again join 3 2 strips for closing the bigger cone like this. Now the 2 cones are ready. After drying, connect the 2 cones like this as shown in the position. Make total 2 and I have same procedure repeat for the bridal hands also. Now again join 3 2 strip for making palm and I have connected hands to the bride and bridegroom dolls. Let it dry for some time. Now again join 5 9 strips and make a deeper dome shape as shown in the video. Here I am making face for bride and bridegroom. Now apply glue inside the dome and spread it neatly with the help of hands. I have made total 2 hands. Now again join 3 9 strips of black color. It will be the head part for the bridal and bridegroom dolls and connect like this as shown in the video. Make total 2. Now take a 5 paper strip and fold it to half and cut in a cross mode. It will be the nose. Now connect nose to the face like this. Now the nose is ready. Now again join 2 1/5 strip. Roll it and make a tight coil and connect it and make little pinch like this. Now the ears are ready. Now connect ears to the doll face like this. Now the doll face is ready. Now here I am making pellipula jada for bridal doll. Take a 10 paper strip and fold it to half and wrap it like this. Now take a scissor and make cuts like this as shown in the video. Repeat until end. Now open it. Open it and fold it as shown in the video. Here I am making pellipula jada for the bridal doll. Now connect red color also and roll it as a tight coil shape. Complete it. Now open it little bit. It will give a nice flower look. Now take a black color piece of paper of 10 mm. Now apply glue and connect this flower to the black color hair like this. It will be the hair for bridal doll. Now take another paper strip and wrap it like this. Open it and connect like this on the 2 sides. Here I am making pellipula jada for South Indian bridal doll of Sapthapadi team in the marriage. Now the pellipula jada is ready. I have attached pellipula jada and I have made facial expression on the face and I have attached jewelry. Now connect face like this. Apply glue and connect like this. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. I have added ball chains and thread for making jewelry part. Now boy face is also ready. I have added facial expressions. Now connect boy face to the base idol like this. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time. Now take a small rolls and connect like this on the 4 sides. Make small rolls and connect like this. Here I am making yagna puja like this. Make another one with the same procedure. Now make smaller one like this. Connect one by one. Now wrap the 10 mm paper strip around this yagnam to cover it neatly. I have painted to decorate the yagnam and take small paper strip like this and insert inside the yagnam. Now take a orange color paper strip and cut in a fire shape as shown in the video. Here I am making fire puja Sapthapadi team in quilling model. Now take a base cardboard and color it with a green color and make traditional rangolis. Now here I am making dupatta for the bridegroom doll. Now connect palm like this. Connect two palms like this. Connect to the bridal doll also. I have attached small bangles also. Now here I am making garland for the bride and bridegroom. Take a red color to 3 mm tight coil and take a golden paper and just wrap it and open it in a flower shape like this. Now the flowers are ready. Now take a golden color paper and just roll it like this in a roll shape. Apply glue and connect the flowers like this. I have connected 3 flowers and I have rotated the paper like this. It will be the garland for the bride and bridegroom. It is looking simply super cute. Now the bride and bridal doll is ready. Bride and bridegroom doll is ready. Now the base Yagna Puja is also ready. Now the base is also ready. Now here I am making stambalu for the mandapam. Here I am making mandapam. So take 3 A4 size paper, connect one by one and roll it as shown in the video and apply glue. Here I am making marriage mandapam. Now it will be more height, so I am cutting with the help of knife according to our mandapam shape. Cut it with the help of scissor. Make total 4 rolls like this. Now again join 7 mm 15 strips and make a tight coil. Let it dry for some time. Apply glue and connect the big roll to this tight coil. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. And I have painted yellow color paint. Now take a orange color paper strip. Here I am using 3 colors, orange, yellow and green. Take a paper and just wrap it on a 3 modes like this as shown in the video. Just make a cuts like this. Make cut until end. Now cuts are over. Now open it. Open and rotate on the opposite side like this as shown in the video until end. Now paper strip are ready. I have attached first orange, then green and yellow. Now again green and orange like this. Repeat around the stambam like this. It will be the here I am decorating the flowers for the mandapam. Repeat same process until end. I have made total 4 stambam. Now the stands are ready, 4 stands. Now I have attached bride and bridegroom to the base like this, and I have attached kongu dupatta one by one, and I have attached hands like this to give a Sapthapadi team marriage look. Now connect 4 stambas to make a mandapam. Now here I am making mango leaves. Take a green color paper and just rotate it and cut in a triangle shape. It will give a nice mango leaf look. Now open it. Now the mango leaves are ready. Now connect around the mandapam to give a nice traditional real look. Now the mandapam is also ready. Marriage mandapam. It is very easy to make at home. Marriage mandapam and Sapthapadi team are also ready. I have added some mini kits. You can check in my previous videos how to make these mini kits. Now in marriage Sapthapadi team, bride and bridegroom is doing Yagna Puja and making Sapthapadi team in a quilling model, South Indian style bride and bridegroom dolls, and marriage mandapam with the help of paper. It is looking simply super cute and it is very easy to make at home. Hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting crafty videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.